Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Tech, where we make technology simple, exciting, and fun. Today, we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your productivity in 2025, the AI tools you absolutely need to know about. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate tech arsenal to boost your workflow and stay ahead of the game. Let's get started. AI isn't just about robots and sci-fi anymore. It's in our apps, our workplaces, and even helping us organize our daily lives. And trust me, these tools I'm about to share are not only smart, but also ridiculously easy to use. Ready? First up, Notion AI, your all-in-one assistant for writing, planning, and brainstorming. Whether you're drafting an email, summarizing notes, or creating a project timeline, Notion AI saves you hours. It's like having a personal assistant who never needs a coffee break. Next is Copy.ai, the secret weapon for anyone in marketing, content creation, or just writing captions for social media. It generates ideas, rewrites sentences, and even drafts entire blog posts. Seriously, it's like having a team of writers in your pocket. Ever struggled to make your writing sound professional? Meet DeepL Write. This tool refines your writing, making it clearer and more impactful. Whether it's emails, proposals, or essays, it's your go-to for polished communication. For team collaboration, Trello with AI power-ups is a game-changer. It automates repetitive tasks, predicts deadlines, and helps prioritize your workload. Imagine a project manager that works 24/7 without complaints. Finally, let's talk creativity. MidJourney 5.5 is the ultimate AI for generating jaw-dropping visuals. From logos to concept art, it's perfect for designers, marketers, and anyone who needs stunning graphics. And there you have it. 5 game-changing AI tools to supercharge your productivity in 2025. Whether you're managing projects, writing content, or just trying to stay ahead, these tools have got your back. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Easy Tech, and drop a comment below on which AI tool you're most excited to try.